Inside this factory, millions of baseballs are made every year. Every baseball follows a precise manufacturing process.
Let us see how a baseball is made step by step.
The process begins with raw rubber.
Strong yarn helps control the ball's performance.
Premium leather is used for durability.
Rubber pellets are molded into solid cores. Heat and pressure shape the core. The heart of the baseball is formed. Each core is carefully inspected.
The core moves to the wrapping stage.
Thousands of yards of yarn are wrapped tightly.
This layer controls weight and bounce. Uniform wrapping ensures consistency.
Leather is prepared for the outer cover.
Panels are cut with high precision.
Each piece meets exact standards.
Small holes are punched for stitching. Perfect alignment is critical.
The core is covered with leather.
Stitching is done by hand.
Over 100 stitches are applied. These stitches give strength and shape. Final shaping creates a perfect sphere. Each ball undergoes strict inspection. Only flawless balls move forward. Bounce testing ensures performance. Weight must meet exact standards. Approved balls receive branding. The surface is allowed to settle.
The balls are prepared for packing.
Packaging is fully automated. Each box is sealed for shipment.
They are stored for distribution.
Soon, they will reach stadiums worldwide. From factory floor to the field. Every game starts with this ball. This is how a baseball is made. Before approval, each ball is reviewed one final time.
Balance and symmetry are carefully checked.
Only perfect baseballs move ahead.
Each baseball is gently cleaned. Manual finishing adds a final touch.
Official markings confer authenticity.
Every batch is digitally tracked.
The balls are counted and grouped.
Each batch is prepared for packing.
Advanced machines handle final packaging.
The product is now market ready. Boxes are sealed securely.
Packed boxes move to storage.
Thousands of baseballs await shipment.
Logistics ensure global delivery.
Shipments are prepared for transport.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
From production to performance. Every ball carries precision and care.
Ready for the game. Ready for the game.
Designed for perfection. This is how a baseball is made.